Hi guys and gals, Will Shields, the Navy guy here at Larry Miller Super Ford. I'm going to take a moment out to show you how you might be able to save yourself a trip to the dealership if you just bought a new Ford or a newer Ford but don't have the code to the door. Let's get started. First, you're going to need both keys. Then you need to find the emergency key well. On a console, it's usually right here underneath the cup holder. What we're going to do is we're going to put the first key in, then hit the accessories. Do not step on the brake. Do not crank the engine. Give it 01, 02, 03, 04. Then repeat. Drop the other key in there. Hit the accessory. There you go. Again, another quick tip, it should work, I mean, as you saw, but you can always take it to a Ford dealership. They can put it on the computers and they can pull the code from there. Stay tuned for more tips, but if you got any questions, you can always reach me, Will Shields, the Navy guy, 801-488-1733. Take care.